And here we are together again. It's the Jesse Show. I don't want to do this. All right, I'm going to do it. I'm going to make the show. The rule is no edits because I'm just trying to do quantity leads to quality. Quantity over quality. I'm going to make a show about what I'm doing. And I'm just going to post it. Even though it's going to be terrible. So what am I doing today? I'm going to do two things. One, I'm going to work on my brain blaster, my AI thinking speech, talk, and things happen tool. The thing where I talk and my brain shows up outside of me, and it's incredible. That's the first thing. Second thing is I want to organize my house with my mom, or without my mom. I want to organize my house, get some shit out, and make some progress there. Let's talk about the AI brain thingy. Basically, I don't want to type. I just want to talk, and then I want the world of my ideas to show up outside in a beautiful way. And I think I figured out what the first version of that is. I think the first version of that is, I talk and out comes a diagram, a chart, a something. Basically, as I'm talking, say, a mind map is showing up about what I'm talking about, or a flow chart, or whatever. And I think that's the first thing I'm going to build. Try to make it so that I can talk and a chart comes out. And that's what I'm going to make this video about today. What I've figured out so far is that I can use something called the Mermaid charting library, or Mermaid charts, I don't know. It's basically something like Markdown. It's a way to describe charts in plain text. And the AI can process my speech. Or rather, hang on one second. Here's how it's going to work. Let me describe. I'm going to set it up so my voice comes directly, is transcribed into AI, or by whatever, but in this case it's an AI system. That transcription is then fed into an AI, which turns it into a Mermaid charts text document, which then is shifted over to is rendered on screen. So every time that text document changes, the screen updates and I see my chart evolving as I talk. And I want to start from the end. I always get stuck and focused on the UI part. And what I'm going to do instead is start at the mermaid at the end, which is first rendering a mermaid chart. And after that, I will go to generating the mermaid chart. And then after that, generating a mermaid chart basically from a piece of text, which is the current transcript. Then from there, I'll be moved to generating that transcript from speech, starting at the end. All right, it's 11:40. I am going to, like an idiot, I'm going to use Flutter because I feel like it's the cross-platform thing that I should probably be using if I'm trying to make stuff that works on web and mobile and desktop. And yeah, and try to get a mermaid chart to render in Flutter and on the web for starters, because it's simple. Or not on the web. Screw it. I'm making something for my phone. Should make it work. I'm gonna try to make Flutter Mermaid diagram rendering thing, which is just stupid, but I'm gonna do it. And we'll see how long it takes. 11:41. Do work in little 10-minute increments and go. Alrighty, I just bootstrapped a new empty Flutter app. I'm gonna try to run it and see how that goes. Flutter empty iPhone. It should just be empty. All right, it worked. Now I'm gonna try to get a web view in it that displays something from outside.